Hi everybody, this is Amit Kumar and I welcome to QlikView tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to create mini charts in QlikView. So let's get started. Like here, in the total price itself, I want to create a mini chart. So just copy this one and create one more measure. So here, same calculation is applied, whatever it is applied here, but the only difference I am going to take this as a representation. The representation of this mini chart will not be a text. Okay, if I simply add this will create one more measure, and the same text will be applied. But here, this is not going to be a text. So the representation here is going to be mini chart. So I'll make it linear catch. How this linear gauge will be calculated? Like, see, all the data are showing in the completely. This is a scale. I'll make it one segment. There are two segments here. Change it. Minimum value and maximum value I have to set. Okay. See, in the scale of 1000 to 1 lakh, the data is calculated. Where there is a progress, it is showing the progressive needle. Yeah. Yeah. So this give me better clarity. See, this mini chart is based on which attribute? It is based on total price. Okay. Where there is total price, you see, it is very less, 4,000. Okay. In the scale of 1,000 to 1 lakh, it is negligible, right? It's very less. So that's why the needle is less. Here, in the scale of 1,000 to 1 lakh, it is extremely high, correct? So that's why the needle is touching to the extreme end. This also, this also. I don't need to give the exact value in the scale, but you can see the ratio of your data. The data ranges from the range of your data. The data ranges from 4 digit to 6, 7 digit, right? So you can give the value, minimum value and maximum value like that. I've given 1000 and 1 lakh. So these data are exceeding from 1 lakh. Not even 1 lakh, I've given 10 lakhs actually. Yeah, 10 lakhs. So in the scale of 10 lakh, right? This 5 lakhs 53,000 is fallen to around 55%, right? So that's why the needle is here. In the scale of 10 lakh, is 3 lakhs 40. This comes around 40%. Makes sense.
Yeah,
In
yeah.
the scale of 10 lakh, it is exceeding because it is 11 lakh, right? So that's why the needle is extremely high. So that's also give me a better intuition that these data, you don't need to see this data. Whichever the data is, scale is high, it can be easily determined. This is what the mini chart is. Just like GERD chart, right? How does GERD source? 0 to 160 kilometer per hour. Whatever your speed is, suppose it is 80 kilometer per hour, then the GERD's position will be 50%. If it is 100 kilometer per hour, it will be around 60%. The needle will vary up to 60% and all. So like that, the mini chart is also making a small gauge in each records to give you better intuition. All right, I hope you would have liked the session. If yes, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe the channel to stay connected. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.